wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
74th Independence Day wishes to all.
And a very good morning to all the parents and students of Green Valley Educational Institutions, Metric and CBSE. Today, I wholeheartedly wish all my students and parents a very happy Independence Day. We are celebrating 74th year of Indian independence today. I request all the students to improve their capabilities in thinking. I pray to Almighty God that from now onwards our student will be creative, innovative, and they will have definitely a different kind of talent and thinking abilities. Again, I wholeheartedly wish all our students and parents happy Independence Day. Thank you.
All the parents and students of Green Valley Institutions, I wish a very happy 74th Independence Day.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all. I am S. Saraswati, Principal of Green Valley Metric School. I wish you a very happy Independence Day to all my respected parents and my dear students. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
Hi everyone, this is Malati from Green Valley Matriculation School. My dear parents and students, wish you happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. I am very proud and happy to wish all. Thank you.
சுதந்திரக் காற்றை சுவாசித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கும் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இனிய தென்றலில் பட்டொளி வீசி இன்று நமது கொடி பறக்க நாம் கொடுத்த விலைகளான உயிர்கள்தான் எத்தனை எத்தனை. காந்தி சொன்ன மந்திரம் கருணை உள்ள சுதந்திரம். உதிரங்களை உரமாக்கி உதித்தன சரித்திரம். தண்ணீர் விட்டா வளர்த்தோம் சர்வேசா, செந்நீரால் அல்லவா காத்தோம். வாழ்க பாரத சமுதாயம், வாழ்க பாரத மணித்திருநாடு. வந்தே மாதிரம், வந்தே மாதிரம். உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் கிரீன் வேலி பள்ளி சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.
A very good afternoon to all our dear students and parents of Green Valley Schools. I am Saranya. I am the coordinator of Green Valley School. We are going to celebrate 74th Independence Day. So on behalf of Green Valley Schools, I wish you a prosperous Independence Day. Let us all spread the humanity, peace and patriotism. Jai Hind.
Happy morning to all. This is Induja. I am delighted to heartily wishing all the dearest parents who have constantly extended their love and support for the betterment of our Green Valley School of Institution. Smart with dedicative and God-gifted my dear students. Today I would like to say a few words about Independence Day. We are celebrating Independence Day every year on 15th August 1947. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. We should remember our freedom fighters like Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. We are living happily now. We are enjoying this day because of our freedom fighters had done the heroic deeds before got independence. They sacrificed their lives for our country. So we should proud to be an Indian. We should celebrate our Independence Day with a great spirit. So I am wishing you all the dearest parents and my dear students happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Hi everyone, this is Pavitra from Green Valley School of Excellence. I would like to wish respected parents and lovable students a very happy 74th Independence Day wishes to all. I would like to share few words. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India on 15th August 1947. From that day onwards, 15 August became a very important day in Indian history. In this moment, we should remember our freedom fighters and honor them. Once again, a very happy Independence Day wishes to all. Thanks to all.
Good morning to all. Today is a very special day for us because 17 years back our forefathers fight against British Army and got freedom for us. But nowadays we are in a trouble because of this COVID-19 and we fight against with that. I think we try to get freedom COVID-19 very soon. So stay home, stay safe and be very proud on this day. I wish you all very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Hi, this is Silambarasi from Green Valley School of Excellence. My dear parents and lovable children, wish you happy Independence Day. This year we are going to celebrating 74th Independence Day. Let be freedom in mind, soul and body, faith in your words and pride in your nature. Once again, wish you happy Independence Day. Thank you to all.
Hi everyone, this is Meena from Green Valley School of Excellence. Respected parents and my dear students, I would like to wish Happy Independence Day. In this 74th Independence Day, let's take a pledge to protect the peace and unity of our great nation. Once again, Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Hi to all, this is Kausalya from Green Valley School of Excellence. My dear parents and my dear lovable children, let me be the first person to wish a special Happy Independence Day. Let's salute our great nation. We celebrate Independence Day to remember lives that we sacrificed to gain this day. I hope you are feeling grateful. My heartfelt wishes for 74th Independence Day. Let us be mindful of everything to make this place wealth and peace. Once again, I wish your family and especially you Happy Independence Day. Be safe. Jai Hind.
Good morning, my dear students and parents. I am Priya, working in Green Valley School, Parnambat. Today we are all celebrated National Festival Independence Day. Today we are all remember that the great leaders and the freedom fighters. I would like to say that we must be proud to be Indian. Thank you.
Hi, this is Bimla from Green Valley Education School, Parnambat. My dear parents and children, wish you Happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. In this day, I would like to say one message, that is, the greatest gift you can give your children are the roots of responsibility and the wings of independence. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
Hi everyone, this is Raju here from Green Valley Group of Schools, Parnambat. My dear parents and students, wish you Happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. I am very proud and happy to wish you all. And I believe today we will enrich our students' minds with patriotism and will make them to know about sacrifice of our freedom fighters. Once again, thank you very much and Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. میرا نام مولوی سیف ہے. میں گرین ویلی اسکول میں قرآن اور دینیات کا استاد ہوں. میں پیارے بچوں کو اور پیرنٹس سبھی کو یوم آزادی کی مبارکباد دیتے ہوئے ایک شاعر کہتا ہوں. دل سے نکلے گی نہ مر کر بھی وطن کی الفت, دل سے نکلے گی نہ مر کر بھی وطن کی الفت, میری مٹی سے بھی خوشبو وطن آئے گی. السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. عزیز طلباء اور طالبات اور محترم والدین, امید ہے کہ آپ سب خیر و عافیت سے ہوں گے. میرا نام سید صدام حسین, میں گرین ویلی اسکول میں قرآن, دینیات اور اردو پڑھاتا ہوں. میرے طرف سے آپ سب لوگوں کو یوم آزادی مبارک ہو.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. میرے عزیز طلباء و طالبات اور محترم والدین, میں امید کرتا ہوں کہ آپ سب اللہ کے فضل و کرم سے خیریت و عافیت سے ہوں گے. میں گرین ویلی اسکول میں قرآن, دینیات اور اردو پڑھاتا ہوں. آپ سب کو میرے طرف سے یوم آزادی مبارک ہو.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all. This is Zahat Haseen. I am working in Green Valley School of Excellence. So today is Independence Day. This is our 74th Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. I would like to wish you all of you Happy Independence Day. Independence Day makes us feel that we are one. That is Indians. I love my country. Let's be proud to be Indians. Thank you. Bye bye. Jai Hind.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Aksha Sabha from Green Valley School. Respected teachers, parents and my dear students. We all know that today is 15 August. We are celebrating Independence Day. So wish you happy Independence Day. I want to say one thing, that we all are so different, but there is one thing that unites us, and it's independence. We should honor it and never forget how hard it was to get it. So enjoy this beautiful Independence Day. Once again, happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Shafia from Green Valley School. Respected teachers, parents and my dear students, happy Independence Day. This year we are celebrating 74th years of independence from the British rules. After almost second centuries under imperial rule and after countless sacrifices and struggles, India won their freedom on August 15, 1947. Thank you once again. Happy Independence Day.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. This is Fauzia from Green Valley. Today we cherish the ones who made our independence possible. Freedom is very hard to get, but we are blessed to have it. Let's appreciate everything we have and enjoy the great miracles of freedom. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं हूँ नवीदा। मैं ग्रीन वैली स्कूल में खिदमत अंजाम दे रही हूँ। आज यौम आज़ादी का दिन है। मेरी तरफ से आप सबको यौम आज़ादी मुबारक हो। सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले ही इसकी गुलसिता हमारा। जज़ाकुमुल्लाहु खैरा।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम शहावर है। मैं ग्रीन वैली स्कूल में खिदमत करते आ रही हूँ। मोहतरमा हेडमिस्ट्रेस साहिबा और असातिज़ा इकराम और मेरे प्यारे तालिब इल्म, उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैर आफियत होंगे। मेरी तरफ से आपको यौम आज़ादी मुबारक हो। जज़ाकल्लाह। अस्सलामु अलैकुम।